with the touchpad, what we have is a few different pages, and each one is labelled, which means then it makes it nice and simple for the homeowner. So if they want to be controlling anything in that space, we can just essentially just label the page for that room, and we can just go ahead and start loading things up. So one of the things we have is the living space, and in here we've loaded up lighting, also the living room blinds, which means that we can control both sets of blinds independently from each other. And also with the blinds we can set them, or we can actually have them so we can, as they're going up or down, we can stop them at any time as well. Here we also have the living room lights, and those there are on dimming control. At the moment they're set to 80%, but as we go up and down through the dimming, that percentage will also change and give us a feedback, so then we know what the percentage is of the dimming. Go back to main home screen, we just push the home screen button, and then we can go through to the other pages. So it's the same thing with our kitchen. Once again, just lighting. So we can go through, and as the lights have been turned on, as you can see, it gives us a nice wee feedback of having a green light. And the ones which aren't on, they give us a off feedback, which is indicated by the blue feature there. So it gives it nice clear indication back again to the homeowner. From here we've got outside lighting, and then also with that we've got a pond and a fountain, and then from there we can actually set it up to a timer as well. This is a 7-day timer with an on and off function, and this is independent from everything else, and then the homeowner can set these as they see fit, and they can just change those as they want to as well. Nice and easier function to work with. And we just back ourselves back out to the home screen. The other feature with these is because it's all integrated, we can set up your heat pump to work through the one touchpad. We don't have to have multiple touchpads throughout the home, it's all centralised to the one. And here we can do all your features from temperature increase or temperature setting through to your fan settings, and also your modes, which is obviously your heating. We've got your cooling, fan control, and humidity, which makes things nice and simple, and also auto feature as well. So yeah, it makes things nice, simple, easy, and the homeowner doesn't have to be going around and chasing things up. Bathroom, yep, we have all of our bathrooms set on through the touchpad. So here we've got our ensuite floor heating, which is currently turned on. We've got a temperature feedback of 17.5 degrees. They've got a temperature probe, which is telling us it's currently at 17.9. We've got both the towel rails controlled through here, and then that then also has a feedback as well. And then we've also set up a towel rail timer, which indicates when the towel rails will turn on and off through the day or through the week. And these also have a manual operation as well, so you can actually do a boost function through those as well. Make things nice and simple. And then on top of that, we've got the alarm, which also has, as you can see, a passcode, and then all we can do is just go through, set the alarm and deactivate the alarm as well, which is great. The scenes, this is where we can actually do some automation or some sort of preset settings. So with the all off feature, what that is doing is turning off all the non-essential items. Obviously we don't want to be turning off the fridges or the freezers or any fish tanks or anything inside the home which needs to be running 24/7. The all-off feature just turns off all the non-essential, such as your lighting features or your lights, turns off your fans in your bathrooms, or anything which you don't want on, we can turn off at a simple push of a button. A welcome home function, so when you come home, you have these preset to either the blinds, the lighting, the heating, AC system, or whatever else you have in the home, and then one push of the button, everything will turn on. And then we also have a good morning setting as well. So once again, these are all preset to certain features in the home. So you just come and push the one button and everything in the house will start activating for you. Nice and easy. And that's essentially what one of our touchpads can do, and we can program up for your home.